Y'all see it, bro. You know what I'm saying? Too, man, you feel me? You feel me? You too, man. First off, you dig what I'm saying? I got it cut, so I'm feeling nice. You know what I'm saying? And my dreads growing, you feel me? We looking good. But y'all boys, I gotta let y'all know, you feel me? Cause y'all run with me, you know what I'm saying? I felt bougie, you feel me? We had shrimp, rice, all that good stuff, you feel me? Bro, this stuff was $50. Never buy it, bro. This is why I don't buy bougie food. You dig what I'm saying? I don't be buying bougie food because I'm picky. That food was not worth it, bro. Not for no damn $50. This is why I stick to my freaking chicken tenders and chicken wings, bro. I gotta show y'all something, you feel me? I gotta show. Why does it seem so damn dark, bro? It feels like it's so damn dark. Hold on. I don't know. But boom. Hold up. Oh! Boy, I thought I broke my camera. Holy. Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's the kid YJ in this bit, man. And you know what I'm saying? I gotta show y'all something, you dig what I'm saying? So, if we go on the YouTubes, you feel me? We search up YJ TV. You dig what I'm saying? How to show y'all boys. You dig what I'm saying? Hold on. Hold on. We go to about. Boom, bruh. Hold on, focus camera. Boom. 250,000, bruh. 250,000, 250K, 250 ball, bruh. Dude, it be hard as hell, bro. What the fudge? Y'all, I ain't gonna lie. I recorded this whole video, bruh, of me like sitting down, but you know what I'm saying? I recorded this whole thing sitting down, but as soon as I seen it, what it looked like with the lights off, bro, the quality looked crazy. But boom, 250,000 views. It's absolutely crazy. I ain't gonna lie. 250,000 views is crazy. 250,000 people clicked on the video, bro. On a kind of video. 250,000 people clicked on the video. That is crazy to me. You know what I'm saying? That is absolutely wild. So with that being said, I have to say thank you. And it's perfect that everything lined up, bro. Everything lined up so perfect. I ain't gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? Y'all seen the title. Y'all seen the thumbnail. Y'all feel me? Ultimate Streetwear Guide 2023. This is gonna be the new series on the channel. You dig what I'm saying? People on YouTube always making videos how to do this, how to do that. No one actually makes a rundown series. I'm gonna make that series. I'm gonna bring y'all everywhere. You know what I'm saying? We gonna freaking go all over the damn city, store to store. I'm gonna show y'all how to shop. I'm gonna show y'all where to shop. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to go, you know what I'm saying? Like, look, you feel me? Like, we got the whole setup and stuff, you know what I'm saying? So what I'm gonna do is, everybody tells you the websites to shop at. Everybody always says shop here, shop there. That's what I do. I'm about to go on the websites with y'all. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm gonna do. You know what I'm saying? In future videos, I'm gonna go on the websites with y'all. You feel me? So boom, I'm gonna go with y'all on the websites, show y'all websites, show y'all how to shop, where to shop. You know what I'm saying? If you watch every single episode, it's gonna be a 30 episode series. You feel me? You get all the way to episode 30, you are gonna be a drip master, bro. With that being said, we have the series coming out. My motherfucking alarm clock going off and stuff, bro. Hold on, bro. Where my phone at? Y'all see this? Y'all can't even see it, bro. It's 6 in the morning, bro. Y'all see it? Hold on. 6 in the morning, bro. Like, I'm up. I've been having this on my mind, and I just been up. You feel me? I can't even sleep. So this is what's going on. You feel me? We about to have a crazy series. 30 videos, 30 episodes. It's gonna take about 3 months, 10 videos a month, just how we usually do. 3 videos a week. We are about to turn up. You feel me? We are about to turn up, have a lot of fun. We about to go all over the city. Turn up, man. I'm gonna really break it down to y'all and really help y'all, because a lot of y'all have been in my situation, or I've been in a lot of y'all situation. You feel me? I watch YouTubers trying to get my swag up. You feel me? I remember starting out high school. You know what I'm saying? Starting out high school, middle school, they be having everything, and you just want to drip yourself. You want to, like, you know what I'm saying? You want to do something. You feel me? I feel you, bro. I feel you. It feel crazy, bro, because I'm literally on the other side of it, bro. You watching this video right now, I was sitting in your position, bro. I was sitting in your position. So it's so crazy that now I'm on the camera and now you're watching me. Like, you know how wild that is, bro? there was a time like this. I'm just talking at this point, you know what I'm saying? There was a time, right? There was a time I was you, bro. I was on the other side. You either watching this on your tablet, iPad, phone, computer, TV. I was on the other side, you feel me? I was watching. And now I'm recording, bro. That is crazy as hell. Boom. That's why I do this stuff, bro. Cause it's like, I've been in y'all situation. I'm not just, you know what I'm saying? I'm not one of them rich kids that just had money growing up and I could just buy whatever. Hell no, bro. I had to hustle. I was flipping shoes, selling this, selling that just to get some, bro. I really had to get out the mud. Let me show y'all boys, cause I still keep them, you feel me? Hold on. Check me out, you know what I'm saying? Boom. This is the first ever pair of shoes I got, bro. I need like good pair because every time I just got shoes from Walmart, you dig what I'm saying? Y'all see these hoes, bro? Y'all see these, y'all see the glue stains? Y'all may say, why the hell is there so much glue stains on it? Because when these hoes started to rip apart and fall off, I glued them back on, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, y'all see that? I know y'all see that, bro. Ain't nobody ever gonna tell me I got a handout, bro. I've been doing, like, I got these in 8th grade. My cousin gave me these, you know what I'm saying? And I always had to keep them, you dig what I'm saying? But I always had to grind up. And now look where I'm at, you know what I'm saying? I came from Walmart shoes and these. Some motherfucking, y'all see that? It's a process, it's a grind, bro. And you gonna get there. If I did it, you can do it, bro. If I could do it, you could do it. If I could do it, bro, you definitely gonna do it. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna help y'all boys by showing y'all step by step how to do everything, you know what I'm saying? Well, let me play you back though. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, you feel me? With that being said, motherfucking, let me know what y'all want to see. Any specifics? I know y'all want to know where to buy stuff. Y'all want to know where to find deals. Y'all want to know what shoes y'all can buy. Y'all want to know how to dress. So let me know specifics down in the comment section. What videos y'all want to see? Just let me know, bro. I'm down to do anything because, like I said, 30-part series. There's a lot of videos to be done. Let me know what y'all want to see. And also, you feel me? I remember before I was talking about how I wanted to bring IRL content to the channel. I got a bunch of those videos already made. I got a bunch in the making. I'm literally gonna go out today and make another one. New people to the channel, all that stuff. So let me know, should I post it now or should I wait till after the series is over? You know what I'm saying? Because one thing I'm thinking about is, right, I'm not trying to post a video, people like it, and then I post another video and they're now two different kind of categories. You get what I'm saying? I'm not trying to have an IRL and streetwear at the same time because it's gonna make people confused. But at the same time, it's like I wanna post it. So I don't know. So y'all let me know. I'm thinking about posting it after the series, but y'all let me know, you feel me? That being said, man, like as y'all can see, bro, this is genuine excitement. First off, 250,000 people have now watched the channel. I feel major. I feel like a big YouTuber, bro. 250K, I feel like a big YouTuber, even though people got millions and millions. There's people out there with billions, you know what I'm saying? Shout out Chris Smooth, you feel me? People got billions. Bro, I hit 250K, you feel me? I'm feeling major, you know what I'm saying? We're growing every single day. 2,751 subscribers, bro. We growing, you know what I'm saying? We growing, bro. I'm real excited, I ain't gonna lie. Real excited. So let me know down in the comment section below, bro. Let me know, I got a couple things I gotta tell y'all boys, you know what I'm saying? Let me know, one, what y'all want to see, because we have this whole series coming. 2, let me know if I should post the IRL stuff now or after the series. And 3, let me just see down in the comment section, spam up W's, you feel me, because we hit 250K, you know what I'm saying? Spam up them W's. With that being said, I'm very excited. Very excited. I ain't gonna lie, it's gonna be a crazy series. It's something new, bro. Nobody ever does this on YouTube. Who is doing a step-by-step guide on YouTube and then taking you everywhere with them? Who on YouTube is showing y'all how to actually do good in life and how to actually get drippy, bro? Who's doing that, bro? After this 30-part series, I know it sounds crazy, but bro, 3 months is gonna fly by fast. Let's think about it. In 3 months, bro, in April, you're gonna be the drippiest person. You're gonna know everything as long as you tune into every video, bro. And a lot of y'all do be doing that, so I am very excited. That being said, man, I don't know why, but it's cold as hell in my room. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. I love y'all, boys. I got so much game to tell y'all. Y'all just let me know down in the comment section. Let me know what y'all want to see. Let me know if I should post the IRL footage now or later. And spam them W's in the comment section because we hit 250K, bro. With that being said, catch you in that video. and peace. Face ass.